So this is going to be case number 25S00791FY. People of the state of Michigan versus Timothy Dansby. Sir, what's your name?
Sure.
All right, Mr. Dansby, good afternoon. Mr. Shockley, place your appearance on.
Track on behalf of the people.
All right, today is the date scheduled for a preliminary examination. This is on one count of retail fraud, first degree. People prepared to proceed.
Yes, Alex.
All right, any preliminary matters?
Did you, pursuant to the court rule, confirm that the defendant still wishes to represent himself as this is a critical proceeding?
No, but do you still wish to assume he did?
Yeah, they just have.
He's been-
Voluntary.
He's just been asking all this time. Would you still want to represent yourself? You've been telling us all this time. Do you want to represent yourself?
I've been wanting to represent myself.
Okay, so you want to proceed today by yourself without a lawyer, right?
Not before I let it be known that I still never received my full discovery.
Well, what haven't you received, sir?
I haven't had a chance to go over the videotape because one of the witnesses in the videotape that I know that when I was speaking to him and was saying, letting him know that, look, man, put this stuff back on here because I'm choosing not to buy it here and I'm going someplace else. So it wasn't like I was trying to steal nothing when I told the guy that particularly I wanted to make sure that he's being available to be questioned.
I don't know who he's going to call. See, this isn't a trial. So this is just your probable cause hearing. So the prosecutor has a very low threshold burden of proof. He doesn't have to put on every witness, he said. He doesn't necessarily have to use the video. He might. And if you say the video means something else.
This looks like it's going to be so good. I have not seen 1 second of this. This is entirely Brecken's fault. I'm pretty happy about it because we've had this knucklehead on before, and this should be good.
That creates a question of fact that would go to trial for the trier fact to resolve. And of course, you get an opportunity to question about the video in depth at trial.
Also, I'd like to mention the fact that, you know what I'm saying, that it's been a delay because I don't know who these people been coming up here. I've been telling the court that I've been wanting to represent myself.
Well, you've been representing yourself since the last time.
Well, I've done with them at the county jail. They said without the court allowing them to know that I was representing myself, it was certain information I couldn't get. They would not have given me. Like the Michigan court rules of evidence. You know what I'm saying? For as far
I've never heard of the court having to tell the jail you're representing yourself. I've never heard of that.
The new technology, they used to have a law library you could go. But now you do everything over the computer.
Okay.
You got to leave a request. In order for them to fulfill your request, they have certain criteria that you got to show ahead of time.
Well, sir, I don't know anything about what the jail's criteria is.
And also, I'd ask, for a standby lawyer.
But they don't do that.
But from my understanding from previous experience,
What
I'm from
what year was that?
federal circuit court and from other courts.
Federal.
My understanding from previous experience. What was that previous experience? You getting convicted before?
Circuit court.
No, I know it has to be a circuit court. They have done.
This is the state system.
There has been opportunity to have standby lawyer for instances where they could confer certain information that the prosecutor might not want to give to me because he might feel he's better than me or something. Because he feels that my constitution might
Listen, Mr. Dansby. We can't
he
keep.
might allow me to receive.
No, of course you got. That's not true. You have a right to represent yourself and you do have a right to get discovery. But what you can't do is come in here on the day of the hearing claiming that, oh, now you want to stand by counsel. Okay, but I'm telling you.
I'm just saying my experience, it's always been standby counsel been set.
I don't know what your experience is. I just know what Michigan and I don't know when you got.
Well, of information.
Okay, sir. The Michigan Indigent Defense Rules, they have a whole new program that's been started a few years ago. So we used to do standby counsel and anything like that. We used to do that all the time when the court was appointing. Now they have a whole system. They don't pay for that. They say if the defendant wants a lawyer, fine, but there's no quote standby lawyer in their view, so they don't pay for that. I didn't make that rule. The person,
I couldn't verify it if I wanted to without.
well, the person that,
Thank you,
the
Danielle.
people in the jail who's running the law library information, able to send me the information that I need, because without them having, and for their quote.
okay, what information
Their
do,
quote unquote.
sir, what information do you think you need just for a preliminary exam?
Your Honor, just,
No, I said for Michigan defense appointment.
So then you said it used to get standby counsel.
I said we did before that system was created.
Well, I want all the chance to update on the system, y'all.
Okay, but that has nothing to do with this.
Court rules of evidence.
Your Honor, I'm gonna, just so I can expedite this, and to satisfy the defendant, at the circuit court level, the circuit court has the budget and the ability and the staff to appoint a standby counsel once he gets up there. And once we finish this hearing, he may be up there and he can make that request then, and I'm sure the circuit court will have no problem immediately assigning him an attorney to advise him as he represents himself. As far as the people are concerned, the court rules been complied with. He's freely and voluntarily relinquish his right to an attorney. May I call my first
So the
witness?
court, so, yeah, I like to also state that I still haven't received my discovery, and my date was proposed because of some guy who said he was my attorney. I did an extra 30 days, the extra 30 days.
Well, if you keep this up,
That's my attorney.
you
Why
gonna,
wasn't my, why?
you're gonna be here another 30 days. Do you want me to adjourn this case again?
No, I don't want to talk. I'm really actually having dismissed.
No,
For the simple fact that.
we're not doing that.
Or ask for a personal bond, because I've been, have my cases adjourned on other people's. That,
Sir, you the one that asked for new lawyers or no, or no lawyer.
ask for any new lawyer, because I never accepted the first. I have never signed for an appointment of an attorney from the very beginning, even at.
Okay, sir. Well, we're gonna proceed with your preliminary examination without a lawyer. So you should be happy today that you don't have one. And then when you get to the circuit court, ask them to give you a lawyer. That's, he just said they have a budget for that.
Ask them to give me my discovery.
What discovery don't you have?
See, take-
What tape?
Your Honor, I'm gonna play the tape for him, today anyways. There's no right to it. There's not even a right to discovery before a preliminary exam, technically underneath the court rule. I mean, we deal with this all the time. So this is just an intermediate proceeding. It's not gonna affect anything. As you know, attorneys don't even ask questions a lot of the times during preliminary exams because it creates a question effect.
But they certainly don't call, they might ask questions, but they don't call witnesses.
They know, not in all situations, with all the preliminary exams, but this.
Okay, have a seat, sir, unless you want to stand up for the whole hearing. Call your first witness.
People go to the same Roberts thing, and Your Honor, I do accept the use of polygon.
Okay, let's see if we can get that working again. Where Jessica is. There she is. Jessica. Now, Mr. Shockley, go ahead and, are you on?
I'm on.
Okay, so I'm gonna go to right laptop. Jessica, can I have that remote? Let's see what we're doing. Okay, Mr. Shockley, are you ready?
I am ready.
Okay. Raise your right hand. Do solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you. Have a seat. And Mr. Shockley, whenever you're ready.
Yeah. Sir, when you are ready, will you please state and spell your name for the record?
Yes, it's Robert Sammons, R would be ERT, last is SAMMONS.
Who is your employer?
Meyer,
What is your job title with Meyer?
Asset Protection Team Lead.
Asset Protection Team Lead?
Yes, sir.
And how long have you been employed in that capacity by Meyer?
Since January of 2025.
Did you receive any specialized training to have that title or that role?
Yes.
And what do you do? What kind of training?
So it's a multitude. So over years, Wicklander certified, and then different courses in asset protection and policy related, that kind of stuff.
Are those courses designed to help you detect retail frauds or patterns of retail frauds?
Yes.
Were you employed in that capacity on July 26, 2025, around 5:30 p.m.?
Yes, sir.
And so do you work at a specific Meyer store or multiple stores?
I'm assigned to the one in Southwood.
Is that located at 28800 Telegraph Road,
Yes.
City of Southfield,
Yes.
County of Oakland?
Yes.
On that date, around that time, did you identify a, retail theft in progress?
Yes.
And how did you identify that?
In this particular case, it was just, rapid selections of, this, similar merchandise.
What do you mean rapid selections?
So one of the indicators of theft is, grabbing merchandise without looking at price or without appearing to look at price, size, that kind of thing.
And how did you see this occurring?
On the floor.
Were you physically on the floor or were you watching cameras?
Sorry, I was physically on the floor.
Did you follow this individual,
I did.
as he was selecting items?
Correct.
Do you see that individual you were following presently in the courtroom?
I do.
Will you please point and identify an article of clothing he is wearing?
It's the, over to my left, and he's wearing like a blue, shirt with a white t-shirt.
Your Honor, may the record reflect the proper identification of the defendant?
Yes, so ordered.
Upon following this individual, did at one point he come to the point of sale?
He did.
Was that before, at any point did he try to walk out before coming to this point of sale?
No,
Did he have a cart or was he concealing these items on his person?
it was a carton.
Was that cart full?
Yes.
Upon him going to the point of sale, what did you, just so we put, you were at the point of sale when he got there.
I was, yes.
And what did you see him do at that point?
He went up to a, cashier, and myself and asked where the bathroom was.
Was that before or after the cash register?
That was, it's kind of at the same time. It's like at a, it's like a giant area where there's like self-checkouts.
Are these self-checkouts?
Yes.
Is there like a long looping line to the self-checkout?
Correct.
Did he still have the cart with him?
He did. So he left the cart, actually by me, and then he went to the restroom.
And what did he do? Did he come out of the restroom?
He did.
And what did he do upon coming out of the restroom?
He grabbed a cart and proceeded towards the opposite side of the store, which would be the grocery side.
And what did he do upon getting to the grocery side?
He pushed the cart out, exiting the store without offering payment.
When you say he pushed the cart out, is there a double door vestibule to Meyer?
Yes.
Did he
A
enter
what?
a double door vestibule?
Vegetable.
That's the whole.
Oh,
not
vestibule.
vestibule. Yeah.
Okay, got it. Okay, go ahead.
Yes, so it's the, it's basically what it is. It's an opening with, EAS towers, and then he pushed past those EAS towers.
What is the EAS tower?
Electronic article surveillance that detects the tags, that the merchandise protection tags on merchandise, the thing that beeps when you pass it.
Did they beep?
None of these had tags, so no.
Okay. Did you stop him at that point?
Yeah.
Did he say anything to you upon stopping him?
He said, I can't recall exactly what he said.
But he did say something?
He did.
Okay. And what did he do upon you confronting him?
He walked past me and then went out the doors going to on the grocery side into the parking lot.
Did he abandon his cart or did he try to take his cart with him?
He abandoned it.
Did you retrieve this cart?
I did.
Were you able to scan the items that were contained within the cart?
Yes.
Upon scanning these items, was a receipt produced?
It was.
Yeah, then may I approach the witness?
Yes.
People propose exhibit 1. So take a second look at what I just handed you. What is that?
It's a receipt from Meyer.
And does it fairly accurately depict the items you scanned from the cart?
Yes.
Has that receipt been edited in any way to your knowledge?
Oh, no.
People will go to that People's Exhibit 1.
Show it to the. Okay, sir, that is People's Proposed Exhibit 1. Hello?
Okay.
Well, he's offering it. Is there an objection?
Okay.
Okay, no objection heard, admitted.
Commissioner, approach and publish.
Yes.
Thank you. Sir, does Meyer take cameras?
We did.
And were those cameras working operational on that day?
They were.
And did upon him leaving the store, did you contact law enforcement? Did law enforcement come to your location?
They called him, like in the, they went towards 12 Mile, made a right. I'm sorry, I don't know if it's east or west, but made a right. And then they caught it right there. And then they came.
So, okay, so to answer my question, law enforcement did come to your location?
Yes.
Upon them coming to your location, did you show them video for the incident?
Yes.
Previously to you taking the stand, did I show you what's on the splash drive?
Yes,
Is what's on the splash drive, the videos from my road that day?
yes.
People who moved to Mesh People's proposed exhibit two.
So, any objection?
People's proposed exhibit two is the camera footage from mine, correct?
Yes.
And that's the same footage we turned over to police? Yes. People who moved to Mesh People's.
I object to the fact, John, I haven't had not had a chance to go over, take previous to the examination. You know what I'm saying? I like to state for the record that being able to go over there would be part of my discovery. And since the prosecutor said, I guess upon his word, I guess he's making precedence with that. You don't have to give.
But why don't we do this, sir? Let's play the video without admitting it so you can watch it. Then if you have an objection, you can lodge your objection at that time.
Step out.
Who is he?
But-
Why should he step out? He's already seen it.
But he ain't seen it when I'm looking at it. He might be making them different.
No, we're not. He doesn't have to step out. We're going to show you the video. Go ahead, sir. There's your video.
I'm straight.
You said you haven't.
Video. I was there.
Well, you said you wanted to see the video.
I was present, John, when.
Sir, either one way or the other. Are you objecting to the video? Yes or no?
I don't know if it's the whole video or not.
Okay. So
Run the video.
go ahead, play it.
Sir, if you would turn around and look at the screen, is this, one of the videos you provided to?
And I just, I
can
can
stand
stand up, sorry. Issues.
So you showing the video for him or for me?
We're showing it to you, but he's
Yeah,
gonna.
you tell him to turn
Well,
around.
he's gonna identify what it is.
I mean,
Then-
if it's my time for me to watch the video, then I watch the video. When it's his time to ask him a question, then he can watch the video.
Let's have him identify what it is he's showing. Let's at least do that. Okay, let's do that. Go ahead, Ms. Shapley.
Sir, is this a video you turned over to Southfield Police?
Yes,
Is that actually you in the video?
yeah, that's, being go on right now.
Okay.
All right, no more questions. Just let him watch it.
Wait, this is at the, this is gross exit view. This is at the 17-hour, 53-minute mark. So was that you walking out with the,
No questions. Just let him watch it first.
well, that's under that portion. That's him leaving the store. He left the store.
I can see what it is. Just let him watch it. Then we'll come back and you can ask questions once he objects or I admit it or whatever, because I'm not admitting it yet.
Can we play the next video then? This video is later labeled GM SEO overview.
Okay.
To the 17-hour, 47-minute mark.
I can't see, John.
Okay. Well, why don't you walk up there closer?
Your Honor, I am
Second video, 17 hour, 49 minutes, 12 seconds.
Okay, is that it?
Yes.
All right, sir. Head back to your seat. So that's the video that he seeks to admit. Do you have an objection?
Yeah.
What is that?
Complete video of the incident that happened. Because at this junction right there, I was going to the bathroom and I did not go past.
Okay, but sir, that's an argument. You can make an argument later. The question is this the video that purportedly was taken by Meyer cameras and turned in by this witness to the prosecutor's office? He said that's what it is. Now you can question the validity of it, the length of it, how long it was, but doesn't affect the admissibility of it. So, okay, so it's submitted. So you want to ask him some questions now, Mr. Shacklin?
Yes, Donna.
Go ahead.
This is other two, just for the record. Sir,
So you want to stand up and look again?
Oh, no.
He's gonna take you,
Oh, you want me to?
I'm gonna go back.
he's gonna go back to that first video.
Yeah. And just so we're clear, sir, the time and date, on that video is correct, right?
Yes.
And I'm gonna play now, grocery exit view at the 17 hour, 52 minute mark.
Like, look. I'm gonna ask him to play that back.
So is that you confronting the defendant
Yes, sir.
when he was walking onto the exit? Is that after he abandoned his cart?
Like this part right here, you're talking?
Yeah.
Where's the cart
Do you see the lady,
with the pink hat?
no, ma'am, the, one with like the dark pants and the black shirt right there?
Meyer outfit?
Yes, ma'am. The cart is right there just in front of her.
I'll run it back.
That's the part I'm trying to see. You don't mind.
Yeah, go ahead. Mr. Shy. Oh,
At that point, he walked up with the cart, right?
Yes.
And one of your associates takes it away from him?
Correct.
Okay, and then you confront him.
Hold on, wait a minute. Oh, you said somebody took the cart away from, where is that at? You should show me that. You think,
okay.
ask the question, I'm asking you to show me.
Sir,
Yeah.
no, you don't ask the prosecutor questions. You have to ask the witness questions.
I don't have access to go over the reground and tape myself, yeah, because I haven't been allowed my
This-
copy of the tape or electronic.
Well, it's not your time to ask the questions yet. You get a chance to.
I don't have a copy of the tape to go over.
Sir, you
that.
don't need it. You watched it.
Well, I'm watching it, I'm trying to verify what's going on.
Okay, but you're not doing it right. You have to wait till he asks the witness questions,
Okay.
and then you'll get a chance to ask the witness questions too.
Sir,
I know that.
you see the person in the middle of that video that looks like he's got a white stripe at the bottom of his leg?
Yes, sir.
Okay, is that the person you identified as the defendant?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that card he appears to be holding it in his hand. Is that the card you took the items out and then scanned to create that receipt, which was People's Exhibit 1?
Yes, sir.
You are good.
Where's the copy?
It's right there at the entrance by that lady in the blue shirt and pants. She's holding it.
How did you get there?
You were,
I take it.
sir, if you watch the video, it shows you, he identified you pushing the cart. And when he got to that part, they stopped you
Okay.
and took the cart.
Now they took the car, but there was an individual, it was a young black male.
Okay, sir.
It was, hold on, y'all.
But just, you're not testifying.
It was a young, I'm not testifying.
Yes, you are. You're trying to tell us your story and this
I'm
is
trying to
not,
tell you that the tape, this is not the full tape.
okay, this is not the time.
This is not the full tape.
Okay, sir.
This is not the full tape. How can you show half of the tape and then the signal instead of showing the whole tape? From the time that I left from the time that I left, the black part with the where I was paying for the tape and walked in there, it's the whole step was missing. So where is the step missing?
You'll get a chance to ask him those questions.
Well, how am I gonna show him if I can't show my?
You'll get a chance to ask the witness that question.
I want to be able to see on.
He's the one who says he made the tape and turned it in. He's the one who would know if there's a section missing or how he copied it.
I should wait for my call for that.
Yes.
Come on back. Wait, I've been for a month.
Mr. Shockley, are you done with this particular tape?
Yeah.
Could you do me a favor? Roll it back to the very beginning of this, where there's people coming out of that door on the left. I'm gonna tell you what to stop something. I just want to see something.
Want to keep going?
Yeah, well, yeah, keep going. It's the okay. Okay, play it. Mhm.
Can he stop at that, take there, Mr. Prosecutor? Can you stop right there? Mr. Shocker?
Yeah.
When the defendant was pushing that, was speaking
No.
first.
Sir, no.
No, okay, all right.
That's your turn.
No, okay. All right, well, you have the word, okay,
You gotta play it again when it's your turn.
okay.
Hey. Oh, man, with all, shoot. That part the defendant leaves the store, correct? Yes.
Okay. Now, are you gonna have to play that overhead camera view?
If you would like me to.
I don't know what that was. So if you need it, you can play it. It's part of it.
That's what they do.
That was 17 hour, 47 minutes. Sir, I'm pausing the video for a second. Do you see yourself in the bottom left corner of that video? Too small?
First of all, what area of the store is this video depicting?
Your Honor, this is in the GM side, so this would be the north side of the store.
Okay. So service desk to the left,
Yes, ma'am. So if,
and that's where's the are the doors depicted in this? No.
Can I go closer to the TV?
Yeah.
It's so easier. So when you went to the bathroom, it was right this way.
Okay.
Okay. And when he went towards the door, is he takes the cart here and then goes this way down that long aisle. And then it goes into the grocery, which you saw right here.
Okay. So that's what this is depicting. And so that's like the open area where you come in. That's no cash registers right there.
No, ma'am, I'm sorry.
Is that them right there? Walking right up there?
So this is your entrance right here.
Stop, right up there at the top. Is that him?
You'll see it, sorry.
Right there. Is that him?
Gentlemen, I'll ask any questions yet. Yeah.
Not yet.
You gotta wait till it's time to cross exam. This is direct exam.
Okay, well.
Why did you decide to just stand there and wait?
Cause he's in the bathroom and that was his cart right there.
You just watched this card?
Yeah, so at that point, that's all I cared about, with the cart.
Are you speeding up?
Yeah.
It's, yeah, so good couple minutes.
Where's the time in it?
It doesn't show on the full screen again. But the defendant right there going to get his card?
Yes, sir.
I go to, yeah, figure it out. Do we see the time?
Mr. Shaka, can you show him the timer?
The time.
This is that point, the time when the play frame is 17 hours, 52 minutes. The the grocery exit view, when I started playing that video, which is the last video we saw, was starting at 17 hours, 53 minutes. Is it fair to say that he then took his car to that grocery exit?
Yes.
Okay, and that's what you stopped him?
Correct.
I don't know. What was the, you remember what the value was? I've never seen.
Exhibit number 1
Yeah,
says $39.99. Oh, I'm sorry, 207.12.
I believe it's just over 200.
Yeah, that was the one item I was looking at. 207.12.
you can sit down, yes.
Okay, are you finished?
I'm done.
Okay, sir, cross-examination now.
Okay, I'm gonna need to help.
I do.
He can play it.
Okay, now,
What do you want him to play?
if this document right here, this is
Oh, boy.
document,
Yeah.
Simon,
Yes.
this is Simon. So this point right here, when you finish lesson, the self-pay machines, or walking towards the cash register where it would be taken in, and you went that way, at which point did you start walking behind? Can you run the tape? At which point was you walking behind as you finished? Letting him know that you'd already called the police.
I don't understand. I'm sorry, sir. I really don't understand your question.
Okay, at one point when he put that out there, yeah, you came behind and said, "On the come to my office, I already called the police."
Yes, sir.
Okay, was that before or after he got close to a rescue?
That was after the exit.
That was after the exit was here,
No, sir. It was, the
after
other.
the exit of the store.
Yes, sir. After the exit.
So when he was walking this way, can you show the text? Can you show the text, Mr. Prosecutor, but pushing the car?
You want to see this video permanently on?
I want to see the video, the park. It was all on one camera. Can you zoom me into the park where the defendant is pushing the car? Going towards the other exit.
This is the video you want to see, sir, correct?
Yeah, he wants to see where he's pushing the cart going towards the other side of the store towards the groceries. If you can zoom in on it. I don't know if you can.
You could see it better on the grocery store.
Now where,
Oh, yeah, that part totally exonerates him.
show us, witness, where he is in this view right here.
I go.
Yeah, go on up there.
Right.
That's the cart and that's him. Okay. So what was he doing at the scanner machine there?
Yeah, like, I don't get it. I get he's stealing stuff, but like, I don't see how this helps. Is he just that stupid, or is there some like logic to this?
Did he scan anything?
Yes, ma'am. He scanned one item and then put that same item back in his cart, never offered payment.
Okay. All right.
Question for you, Mr. Skinner. When did you check that scanner after he left?
I did.
And what did he say?
And one item up there.
And what was the price of that item?
Don't recall.
Because it didn't work.
Like, he's so dumb, I can't figure out what he's trying to do. Like, it is the whole idea that he knows he's being watched so that he'll scan an item and say that I was trying to pay for stuff. It's so stupid. I think that's where he was going with this.
And so point to him there in that shot. See way down there
Yes, ma'am. He's swinging it down.
where the pointer is.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it for you approaching?
No, sir.
And who was the other individual, the black young male that was doing?
So, you'd have to show me which one. There was a couple over there.
Like, I can see like if you take like a bunch of items and then like you're scanning and then like you don't like you sort of skip scannings. I think that's what they call skip scanning. So let's say you have 5 items and you scan 3 of them and you don't pay for 2 of them and you just kind of do it. That sort of makes sense and then you can be like, oh, I didn't, I meant to, or something like that. But what he's doing is just so stupid. All it does is draw attention to him. There's no transaction to cut. I just don't even get it.
Can you keep, no, very, keep time on. So at that point, when you spoke to the defendant, or spoke to the, was there anybody up there that had a conversation?
I mean, I'm sure those,
No, was there another employee there? Conversation,
like when you and I were talking.
when you approached. But now you saying he head out the door?
Yes, sir. So there's 3 employees there total. So myself, another employee, and then another employee. And then when you and I were talking, it's just.
Hold on. Where is the young male? It was a black guy right there.
There's a.
Right there now. You say you come right here, right?
Yes, sir.
Can you show, you can go back to the top, okay. Right here. Can you go back to this part up here? Not down, not the top, this part right here. Because it appears to be stopped moving. Here, right there. Now, can you run that, showing that part right there? Stop, this. What is this right here?
That's the time.
What's this right here?
Time.
So why is it not in this city? Why is this moving faster than that?
It's you see so that's the 40. Those 3 that go to do those cycles.
I understand this is going to look something. I'm talking about this time here and this time here. Why is, 17 minus 12 was 5? 17 minus 12?
Yeah, it's
I know, no, 17 minus 12 is time. It's the time. Okay, can you go back? This is probably about 3 minutes. But what I'm trying to figure out here, Mr. Is how
Mr. Attorney, you talk to witness?
to the witness, yeah. I'm wondering.
The witness is Mr. Salmons.
Why I keep saying shot?
That's a prosecutor.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I appreciate
yeah,
it.
I can-
I'll take it.
At what junction did you say would you like to come to the office with me?
It would be, is it okay to go up? Yeah.
You can always step up and point.
It would be right here, sir. Like right, see those towers, just past those towers right there.
And you finna go past those towers?
Yes.
did they beep?
No, sir.
Why not?
Those towers are what they're called is electronic article surveillance. What they detect is merchandise protection that's on products. Not all products have that merchandise protection. So it'll only go off if one of those products that has merchandise protection.
Okay, so what, so hold on, wait a minute. Stop, can you go back one more time, Mr. Property, about another minute? Cause what happened to the, okay, go back. Okay, so hold on, now, go forward. 'Cause I'm trying to see which tape is, which is which. Okay, that's her stuff. He's going in with her stuff? He's coming out with his, right?
Yes, sir.
So this stuff never went past here.
It did. It went right to the towers.
So what happened to, where is this started?
That would be the part that the defendant was pushing, sir.
So it never went past here.
It did. You have to see it. You'd be able to see it, sir.
Okay. Want to see what's in there. Okay, but you say you stop right there. It doesn't real problem. We not on pay. Okay, right, okay. This is the individual I need to see, right? Who is this individual right here?
That's another employee of.
Yeah, what's his name?
I don't know the last name for this kid.
Is he part of your team?
Thank you, Aaron. That's actually helpful. Like, this is so dumb the entire time. I'm like, you just stone cold busted stealing on video. I cannot even fathom what he is trying to establish here. But I think you're right. I think that's what he's going with.
My team, no, an employee of mine.
Not an employee of yours?
So, he doesn't work under me, no. He's just an employee of mine. But he's not on, like, my specific team.
So was you close enough with the conversation was held between him and the defendant?
Your Honor, if the defendant's done with the video, I would ask him to go back to his table.
Are you done, sir?
No, like, I'm only done with the video because I'm trying to figure out, Mr.
Sands.
How did you keep the defendant in the front?
Yeah, that's, so I was following the defendant along the back aisle, where I could keep it, where I could watch while I'm walking.
Okay. So at which point did you, when you was walking behind him, when you was walking behind him, was you out the store?
I was never behind, I was always to the side.
No further question at this point. Now, I do like to ask you a question. Are you saying that you know the defendant picking up items without checking the price? It appears to be.
Yes, sir.
So this is how you profile the individual who was coming in.
No, so we don't profile, what we look for is behaviors, so,
Okay, profile behavior, basically kind of like it's the same thing. And also,
I was waiting for it. I was waiting for the race card. I knew it would happen. Of course, we get it now.
when you went to the scanning machine,
And they absolutely are profiling, and they should. It's really behavior. It's not on that basis. He explained it earlier. It's just like his activity was throwing off indications of theft, and well, it was correct.
you said did you go back and check the thing on the scanner machine, see the scan?
I didn't need to, I was at the, where I was, I could view every scanner, and I could see as it goes.
So you seen the one thing get scanned,
Correct.
and you seen the machine activated? Or do you know if it actually scanned?
I don't know what you mean by activate, I apologize.
When you go to the self-care machine and you try to scan
Yes.
it, it's registers.
Yeah, it'll
Did you-
beep and then something.
Right, did you hear it beep?
There's like stuff
No
right
further
there.
question, but it didn't beep because it wasn't working. All right, no further question.
Mr. Shockley, anything else?
No.
Sir, thank you so much. You may step down. Any other witnesses for the people?
People Ross.
Thank you. All right, sir. Do you have any witnesses? Typically, the defense does not call witnesses at a preliminary exam, but do you have any witnesses?
Like I said,
Do you have any witnesses?
The judge is in exactly the same place as me. He's just like, you know, for what it's worth, the defense usually don't call them, but do you have any? Because that was horrible.
I haven't had a chance with the witness that I would have liked to have. Called.
Okay, but you don't,
I wouldn't get a chance because I never got a chance.
sir, you still got a chance at trial to call a witness. This is not a trial. All you're gonna do is create a question of fact.
I can tell you this, Your Honor.
Okay, wait, we're not at the argument.
This take,
Stop.
this take.
Mr. Shockley is gonna make his motion. Go ahead, Ms. Shockley.
Moved by the defendant over as charged. As you know, this is retail fraud in the first degree. It's enhanced from a second to a first. Dollar amount is over $200. The video review shows in the testimony, Mr. Salmon shows that he attempted to leave the store without making any ability or offer to pay for those items. Accordingly, we're going to say bound over as charged. Thank you.
Yeah, what do you want to say by way of argument now, sir?
I'd like to say, Your Honor, that it's been such a long time, I never had a chance to get the tape. You know what I'm saying? And I also like to state.
You went over that tape ad nauseum today, sir.
Like, that tape, the prosecutor didn't have to take so long, but that's not exact, that tape doesn't exactly show what happened. But that individual was walking behind me. I don't know how he did that to take, that's why I was looking for the time. And also, I like, again, just for the matter of the question that impropriety on the way the examination was ran for the simple fact. And
What word was he attempting to use? I think it was priority. I don't know. I can't understand anything he says, and I think that's probably helpful because whenever I do understand it, it doesn't help.
days and the time that it took, even though the prosecutors did show his willingness to show the tape, did not give me a chance to go over the tape. Been postponing this, I haven't had a chance to even call.
A priority.
I still
Oh, yeah.
Don't know the witness name of the individual that.
Sir, you got plenty of time to find the witness and call them for trial. This is not a trial.
I'm gonna do it, Your Honor, if I can't get the paperwork.
What paperwork?
I can't get the discovery motion for discovery.
You got a folder full of paperwork.
The-
A police report, right?
I'm talking about, Your Honor, the paperwork in order to get the discovery, to get.
Now, I don't know what paperwork you're talking about.
Rest of the discovery, the motion to be able to write the motion for the discovery.
No.
You know, they have these people that know how to do this stuff, and they do it all day for a living. And you were offered one for free, and you turned it down.
The Michigan court rules to determine that the Michigan, or you don't know the Michigan court rules to determine that the prosecutor must.
No, you know what? I have no idea even what you're talking about at this point. You got the police
Also, I
report,
like-
which gives you all the information.
And for the last.
I'm not quit talking.
I like to put on record.
I'm just gonna stop talking. You can take over this whole courtroom. Go ahead. And you got about 3 minutes to do it.
All right, for the last statement, and I like what state for the courtroom, still that the court never actually showed its authority to trial the individual, because I don't know if this prosecutor, the court, even have license to practice law.
Okay, no, we're not going down that road. Excuse me. Listen.
I don't have,
No, let
I
me
got a
tell-
constitutional right.
Let me tell you something. If you don't stop when I tell you to stop, I'm gonna take you out of here. We're not getting into whether somebody has a license to practice law. You are to contain,
It's a legitimate argument.
listen, you're to contain your argument to the facts
And it says the fact.
on this case,
From
this on the record.
the Bar Association, it said that it is not a licensed agent. So if you got a bar practice without a license, which the Constitution of the United States and the state.
Sir, I'm not gonna listen to that.
No state,
Nope.
no city, no township, municipality can take law contrary to the.
Nope.
The highest law of the land. Now, for that to be placed on the record.
It's placed on it. Now, you're done. The defendant is charged with a retail fraud. All the elements were met in this matter for retail fraud first degree. The testimony clearly established that the defendant took property of the store that was offered for sale. It showed by way of testimony that he took property off the shelf in a random manner. All the testimony was all the same things without looking really at the prices or the tags, it seemed like. That he moved the property, well, he put it in a basket and walked all around the store from one side to the other. Third, he intended to steal. That's a question of fact as to whether or not he intended to permanently deprive the store without the store's consent. However, it was clear from the video shown that he walked from one entrance to the other entrance without paying for anything and was attempting to push his cart through the entrance when he was stopped by loss prevention from doing so. That's the question of fact as to why he was doing it with the intent to permanently deprive or not. And this really happened inside the store while it was open to the public and without the consent of Meyer. The items were tallied up by loss prevention and came to $207.12. So clearly, that's enough to satisfy the court that the retail fraud did occur. And of course, there was an allegation that he apparently had a prior conviction, April 17, 1989. For retail fraud first degree in the Sixth Circuit Court. So that's the sentencing issue, and that's enough to bind it over on the first degree and continue to bond. Mr. Shockley, here is your exhibit back. His bond is continued. Make sure you get a license to practice law, please.
And don't present doctored video. The video's been doctored and altered. Oh my God.
Well, there you have it. I mean, that's where it stopped. It's over now. That was just painful. It was painful. I couldn't understand anything he said, but the judge made it worth it. She was fun. She was trying not to, but she was like holding back laughs the whole time because you know that. What are you going to say to this? We've got a video of you stealing here, and you've got nothing to say about it. Also, that demanding the prosecutor like do all this stuff with the video. You know, it's typical to share exhibits and sort of do that. And if you have a setup, you know, that'll happen in case. But like, you kind of have to have your life together. Like if you're an attorney, you can't just do that. Like, oh, do this and do that part where I'm walking away with the cart. Like, nah. You need to like you either need to bring your own stuff so you can control it, have your own method, or you got to have like timestamps and be organized in some way. Like obviously the judge is going to let a lot of stuff go because he's not represented and just sort of let some of the stuff happen. But I mean, all of it was just, well, it was fun. Like she must have told him it wasn't the trial 30 times. And then he doesn't understand. He literally conceptually just doesn't understand what's going on at any point with anything. And then to the extent that he's making an argument, his speech is so poor, you literally can't understand what he's saying. I'm confident anything that he is saying is stupid, but you can't even understand it. And it's just not going anywhere. Oh, good Lord. Good Lord. He gets a full salute. He gets a full SovCit salute. Thank you, Bracken. That was absolutely excruciating, but in the best way. It ultimately was very funny. I actually was going to do some more clips. Maybe I will. Maybe I will in a couple hours. But that just took it out of me. It just took it out of me. All right. Thank y'all for coming out. I'll see you soon.